What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Travis and this is Garage Built K's. In today's video we're going to be unboxing a part that I received from a company called MaxpeedingRods. They decided to shoot me a message on Instagram and say, hey, did you need any parts for your car?
You ready, dude?
Yeah.
So they decided, hey, we'll send you a catch can or breather, whatever you guys call it. So here it is. It's kind of, I believe it's billet. It's -10 fittings, and then we also have this little piece, and you see kind of that edge there. I believe that's going to sit on the bottom, so it kind of can hold on. So the only problem is I don't have the factory battery tray that sits here, so I'm gonna have to find somebody that probably has one so I can get that put on. So I assume that's how that gets held onto. I got a few breathers. And also, if you haven't seen yet, but I ordered some stickers. It's Garage Built K's. That is the channel name. So if you'd like to support, I am selling these for $10 a piece. So I assume it's going to sit something like this, somewhere in that range. So hopefully it clears the hood, so I'm going to have to find a way if I have to sneak it out further this way so it sits a little bit lower. So we'll figure that part out. Here's the company. So if you Google MaxpeedingRods, these are the guys that sent me that part, and I am giving a 15% off anything within here if you use the coupon code MNK series. So that's kind of a Facebook group that I'm a part of. It's the first thing that I kind of caught to my mind when they asked me what did I wanted to use. But I mean, these guys got a lot of stuff. Valve cover is swapped over. We got rid of the red one. We're trying to get rid of all the red in the engine bay. So as you can tell over there, the fender underneath needs to be wrapped. I have black wrap inside the car. But I got the -10 fittings on this. So that will be routed obviously there. And then wastegate is also on. So this is a Precision 66 mil wastegate. We have Precision 6062. Thank you for the sponsorship, Precision. But we have the 6062 turbo Gen 2. It's ball bearing. There's also one other thing within the car that I'm super excited about. We finally, if not my last video, we'll flip on this light here real quick. All right, so within the car, we finally have the carbon fiber little piece in here, so that looks way cleaner. We have the boost gauge, we have the air to fuel, then we have oil pressure. If I just take this off for a second here, I gotta get all of it wired up, obviously. Obviously, I just want to see kind of what it looked like mounted up. So that's up. I have all my stuff here that I gotta route. Another sticker for the box. I got plenty of stickers that still need to go on. So I have to figure out roughly how to route all this. I need a boost controller, so I have to order one of those. I'm probably going to do the 4-port. I heard you can boost by gear doing it that way.